Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're going to learn about shapes and colors by matching the pattern on this card. So first, it's asking for a red triangle. Red triangle. Then a blue square. Blue square. Next, a blue hexagon. Blue hexagon. Then a yellow circle. Yellow circle. In the next row down, we have a green circle. Green circle. A red hexagon. Red hexagon. A yellow square. Yellow square. A green triangle. Green triangle. In the third row is a green hexagon. Green hexagon. Next is a yellow triangle. Yellow triangle. Red circle. Red circle. And a green square. Green square. In the last row, there's a red square. Red square. A blue circle. Blue circle. Next is a blue triangle. Blue triangle. And the last one is a yellow hexagon. There it is, the yellow hexagon. Now, our board matches our card. Red, blue, blue, yellow, green, red, yellow, green, green, yellow, red, green, red, blue, blue, yellow. Well done, friends. Thanks for watching.